Indeed, we received a cancellation letter, but that is a breach of contract because that cancellation letter has been done under duress, and we will want the ministry responsible to revert back to the contract that we had agreed on as we continue the preparations. Let Azimio look for another venue. Nairobi is big, Kenya is big. They can be able to take their rally elsewhere because we beat them at this, and we are prepared to do that particular rally, just like you've been told that we floored them during the running mate debate. And we will do the same again in the main presidential debate. So even in that last rally, we will prove to them that we are the coalition that is ready to govern Kenya and that is prepared to be able to form the next government and to deal with the day-to-day issues on the economy, on governance, that the Kenyan citizenry is now confronted with.